Hello, everyone of YouTube. I am SL Evans 92, aka UHS Ambassador 2013. Now, you all know the routine of what I normally do, all the same bullshit as always. Now, this isn't my normal video that I normally do. I want to talk about a particular channel I started watching. Actually, two particular channels. Forgive me, I'm trying to speak as loud as I can. First channel I want to give a shout out to is a channel called Nikki and John Vlogs. Now, I don't really know too much about them. I don't know them personally. I know they're out in LA somewhere, but that's neither here nor there. But, anywho, I just wanted to give a shout out to them, because I think their videos are great. You know, they just recently had a baby girl named Iris. If you want, I need all of you guys. I'm gonna put, Nikki and John Vlogs, channel link down in the description, below here, like I always do. And another channel I wanted to mention was a channel called The Neighbors. Now, this is a channel that I found when I was watching Nikki and John Vlogs. I subscribe to them, and I recommend you guys, all my YouTubers, subscribe to The Neighbors as well. And then the link to their channel will be down in the description below as well. And I will try to put a title to whose channel is whose, so there's no confusion. Because my life is already confusing enough. Also, I need to let you guys know, in 2 days, I actually have an official one. This is actually an official announcement. In 2 official days, on, let's see, what's today's date? Today is Wednesday, November 12th, 2014. So that means this upcoming Friday, November 14th, 2014, I start IT college courses at Colorado Technical University online, which means that I probably won't be able to post videos as much, but I'm going to try and start here's what I'm going to start doing for all of you guys. From my phone here, I'm going to start doing what everyone else calls daily vlogs. Now, I don't know how often they'll be, with me being so busy with school and trying to get a job, but I just thought I should make it official that in 2 days' time, I will be starting online college courses at Colorado Technical University, an online college course. And I will also leave a link to their website, which, speaking of which, if any of you guys are out there are looking to go back to school, Colorado Technical University is one I would recommend. Now, it's one that was recommended to me. I don't know if it'll be worth. I don't know if it'll work for the rest of you all, but for those of you who are looking to go back to school, you know, I'm gonna put a link in the description below of the Colorado Technical University's enrollment website. And I'm also maybe gonna leave a phone number. And maybe not, I don't know. Depends. But I think that'll about wrap it up for now. I am gonna start doing daily vlogs, but like I said, you know, in 2 days, you know, with me starting online college courses, you know, and I don't know how often I'll be able to, you know, post daily vlogs, you know, with me doing courses and me being busy with lectures and homework and whatnot. So, that'll about wrap it up for now. I'm going to finish watching one of the neighbors' daily vlogs. So I will catch you all later. SLM22, signing off.